Hello everyone. Here in this video we are going to understand the difference between and among. We will have to understand the difference between and among. Actually both the words are preposition in our English grammar, but the usages are different at different places. What according to you will be the correct answer in this? Reena and Priya distributed the money dash them. Pause the video and let me know the correct answer in the comment section. If I ask you what would be the correct answer in this? All the students discussed the matter dash them. And again, if I ask to you, mention the difference dash solid, liquid and gases. If you know the answer, then let me know in the comment section without having any delay. There are matches dash India, Pakistan and Australia. What according to you is going to be the correct answer? Pause the video and let me know in the comment section. And let me tell you what does both the word means. If I start talking about between, what did I say? Between. Then between means between and among both are preposition. What did I say? Both are preposition. But while using, we need to observe maximum precaution. What we need to observe? We will have to use between only when. What did I say? Only when there is consideration of two at a time. What did I say? At a time. If there is a consideration of two at a time, then only you can use between, otherwise you are not allowed to use between. But if we come or if we understand among, then it is very important to understand that the consideration should be more than two. What did I say? Consideration should be more than two. You can say more than two at a point of time. More than two at a point of time. And just by understanding the concept, let's solve the question, whatever question has been written there. If I say Reena and Priya distributed the money, dash them. Yeah, if we start understanding this them, then we will end up getting that this might be talking about Reena and Priya, and it might also be talking about someone else who might be 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, whatever it is, or 5%. It might be talking about these persons as well, right? So if we start understanding them in this aspect, then we will have to use among, because we have understood that if there is a consideration of more than two, then we will have to use among. So from this aspect we are allowed to use among here. But it can also be the situation that this they might be talking about Reena and Priya. It means the consideration is of two. And if the consideration is of two, then what we need to do? We will have to use between. Right? I hope are you able to understand it. It means both the answer are correct, and we need to observe maximum precaution that them is talking about whom? Reena or Priya, or about these people or whatever it is. Now let's move on to the question number 2. All the students discussed the matter. Here students is plural and the number is not known to us, and that's the reason we are going to choose among here, and there is no doubt. Mention the difference solid, liquid and gases. We have understood that if there is a consideration of two at a time, at that point of time we will have to use two. And you might be knowing that difference is carried out between two only. And that's the reason two at a time. You can only differentiate between liquid and gas, then after solid and gases, and liquid and gases, and gases and solid. But differences cannot be carried out between or among three, right? So we will have to use between here. Why? Because differences are only between two, right? If we start understanding the next one is there are matches India, Pakistan and Australia, and understand it. Matches are also between two people, between two teams, or between two countries at a time, right? So we will have to use between here. Although three teams or three names of the country has been given here, but the matches will be performed between two people, between two teams at a time, right? And that's the reason we choose between here. I hope I'm able to make you understand here. Thank you for being with me. Have a great time.